It is early Thursday morning, and I just got a phone call that dragged me out of bed.
Hello friends, this is Daniela Day with Daybird Aviaries, and I just want to show you my newest baby. Isn't it cute? Yeah, it's feeding time, and this other one just won't stay still, so I have to hold him because he'll just go away. Uh-oh, it's okay. All right. Hey baby. Hey tiny baby. Oh, I know, listen to the cute little noise. Oh, tiny little cute noise. Well, I'm fixing to feed him, so I guess I will see you later.
Y'all, I'm here at the post office. I'm still asleep, but do you want to see what I got? Do you hear them? Do you hear them? You hear them? Let's see. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Do you see? Look. It's crested runner ducks for Catherine. Oh my gosh. Get back, get back, get back. Oh, they're escaping. Oh. Look. Runner ducks. Crested runner ducks. Are they not the cutest things ever? Oh my gosh. I'm in love. Okay, friends, we are back home. Poultry industry has been shipping baby chicks through the United States Postal Service, for, I don't know, 75 years maybe, and they know what they're doing. These boxes are designed, you can see it's at an angle, they're designed so that nothing can fit up against it flat, so that these holes can give ventilation. They've got these protrusions up on top to keep things from flattening the top, and covering these vent holes. But small enough and packed well enough that these 6 babies are able to keep themselves warm. Now, isn't that just the cutest thing? Look, 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 look. Hop back in here.
There we go.
They put this Excelsior here to keep
Dairy ducks.
their pops.
What?
Pops. Because they popping right out. Now, obviously some of them have better crest than others. This one is just magnificent. Look at that. That is Madame Poofy. And this one, well, I can barely see any kind of crest at all. But that's okay. They're all adorable and wonderful. Now, these came from Ideal Hatchery. I purchased them for Catherine. They unfortunately don't offer sexing on the baby ducks anymore. They used to. I don't know why they have stopped. Probably because they had too many boys left over. That's my guess. Because I would have ordered nothing but girls. I'm hoping that these are all girls. I know it's not going to happen. But I'm so happy to have these. Aren't they just adorable? Adorable. But we're going to put them into the brooder box and let them get some food and water. Now y'all don't tell Daniela that we're playing with baby ducks on her bed. Don't do it.
What if I do?
Well, then you'll get a whooping.
Okay. What if the ducks do?
What? No, Jeremiah.
What if you do?
I certainly won't.
Why?
I value my life too much. I don't want to go to heaven today. But look at them, they're hungry. Give them some food and water. Put them in the brooder.
With a baby champion?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, obviously, this is not a duck. This is another one of my Wyandottes.
It's not a duck.
It's not a duck.
What? I thought it was a duck.
This is not a duck. This is a splash laced red Wyandotte.
It's not a duck.
I'm sure. They're identical. Oh my gosh, look! They look the same. I can't tell them apart.
I think this is the chicken.
You weirdo.
Something's wrong with me, I think.
No, nothing's
Okay.
wrong with you. Uh-oh. There, we'll hold them together. They cute. Get me one of those solid black ducks.
Okay. Here's a solid black duck. There's a solid black duck.
Oh, that is a
Small
small, solid black Spartona duck. No, that's a chicken. Y'all know that's a
It's a
chicken.
duck. Look at it. It's a duck.
Peep, 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 peep. Uh-oh, come here, peep.
Don't fall.
Oh my gosh, they're cute. 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 Alright, let's put them back.
Hello friends, this is Daniela Day with Daybird Aviaries, and these are two of our babies. That's the newest baby on the right. Oh no, bless it. It's a baby ringneck. And then the baby we had. Nah.
Let's rotate straight beside both of you.
That's not, yeah. You didn't bring the capo.
I think
That's
or
all right.
it's on the table beside the couch in her room.
Does she know what a capo is?
No, but she's playing it left-handed. This part always goes in your right hand.
Oh, you want to sit beside Grandma and sing with it?
Yes,
Oh, this is going to be a treat.
out of tune. No pick. No nothing.
battery.
No battery.
Why do you need a battery?
So I can tune it.
Holly put a heart on it, so.
Girl, you make up words just to confuse me. Lilac. Lilac ain't nothing but a tree.
Lilac.
Lilac. What kind of word is lilac?
Isn't this the color of lilac?
That's the same color as your shirt. You said your shirt's pink, that's pink.
My shirt is neon pink.
Lilac. That is a bush.
It's also a color.
Ain't no such thing as lilac.
That's okay.
How about I just sing?
Okay.
Aw.
I feel the touch of hands so kind.